Hey everyone, welcome back to MS English AI. I'm Paul.
And I'm Ina. Hi. Today we're at a clinic, but don't worry, it's a safe, simple lesson. We'll learn words like fever, cold, headache, medicine, and appointment.
Right, we'll act out a short, real-sounding conversation between a patient and a doctor. Listen, repeat, and enjoy the little jokes we sneak in.
I hope the doctor doesn't tell me I watched too many TV dramas.
That's not a medical condition, Ina. Let's start. Imagine the clinic door opens. You're sitting in the waiting room. Say hello.
Hello, I have an appointment.
I'm the receptionist. Great. What's your name?
Ina Davis. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. The doctor will see you soon. Please take a seat. Now, the doctor enters. Hi, Ina. I'm Dr. Lee. How are you feeling today?
I'm a little sick. I have a headache and I feel cold. I might have a fever.
Okay, thank you for telling me. Let's check your temperature and talk about your symptoms. How long have you had the headache?
For 2 days. The headache started first, then I felt cold and my body got weak.
A headache is pain in your head. When we say, I have a headache, that's simple and natural. Do you have a cough or a runny nose?
A little runny nose, but mostly a headache and chills.
I see. If your temperature is high, that is a fever. Fever means your body temperature is higher than normal. You can say, I have a fever. Try it.
I have a fever.
Great. Now, if you feel cold while your temperature is high, we call that chills. So you can say, I have chills.
Curious. So, fever and chills can go together?
Yes, fever and chills often happen together. Also, if you have a small cold, you might say, I have a cold. A cold is different from the flu, but both can make you feel sick.
Cold and chill. A little confusing. I prefer ice cream chills.
Ice cream chills are fun. Fever chills are not. Now, the doctor will suggest medicine. Medicine is any pill or syrup you take to feel better. You can say, the doctor gave me medicine. Repeat that.
The doctor gave me medicine.
Perfect. You can also say, take one pill every 6 hours, or take the medicine with food. Short and clear.
Take with food? Okay, that's easy. I don't like taking medicine on an empty stomach.
Good tip. The doctor might also schedule a follow-up. That is another word, appointment. An appointment is a set time to see the doctor again. For example, I have an appointment next week. Say it.
I have an appointment next week.
Excellent. If you need to cancel, you can say, I need to cancel my appointment. Or, can I reschedule my appointment?
Reschedule, that means change the time, right?
Yes, change the time or date. Now let's practice a short sentence a patient might say to the doctor. I have a headache, a slight fever, and a runny nose. Do I need medicine? Say it with me.
I have a headache, a slight fever, and a runny nose. Do I need medicine?
Very natural. The doctor could reply, yes, I will give you some medicine. Get plenty of rest and drink water. Repeat that reply.
Yes, I will give you some medicine. Get plenty of rest and drink water.
Correcting gently. Small fix. When the doctor speaks, say, I will give you medicine. Not, yes, I will give you some medicine. Try the full reply. I will give you medicine, get plenty of rest, and drink water.
I will give you medicine, get plenty of rest, and drink water.
Perfect. Short and clear sentences are best in a clinic. Now, a quick fun line. If your friend asks how you are, you can answer simply, I'm not feeling well, or I'm a bit under the weather.
Under the weather, so I should hold an umbrella inside?
Only if it's raining inside the clinic, but under the weather is a friendly, casual phrase. Use it with friends.
Okay, I'll save the umbrella. Now, how do I say I feel better?
You can say, I'm feeling better, or I'm much better now. If it's small improvement, I'm feeling a little better.
I'm feeling a little better.
Nice work! One more quick practice, a phone call to make an appointment. Imagine you call the clinic. Say, hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Lee.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Lee, please.
And if the receptionist asks, when are you available? You can say, I'm available on Tuesday morning. Simple.
I'm available on Tuesday morning.
Great. Now, small vocabulary review. Say each word after me. Fever,
Fever,
cold,
cold,
headache,
headache,
medicine,
medicine,
and appointment.
appointment.
Excellent! Quick tip, put these words into short sentences every day, and you'll remember them. For example, I have a headache. I need medicine. I have an appointment. Say one short sentence now about each word.
I have a fever. I have a cold. I have a headache. I need medicine. I have an appointment.
Applauding tone. Perfect. You sounded natural and confident. Little wins like that matter.
Thank you. I feel better already. Maybe from practice, not medicine.
Haha, practice is a powerful medicine for language learning. Before we go, a tiny fun challenge. Make a short, friendly question you can ask the doctor.
Is it okay if I go to work tomorrow?
That's a great question. You can also say, should I stay home from work tomorrow? Both are good.
Should I stay home from work tomorrow?
Use that when you're unsure. Okay, listeners, practice these lines with us. Copy any line and make it your own voice sample. If you liked this quick lesson, subscribe to MS English AI for more short, friendly practice.
And leave a comment. Tell us one sentence you practiced today. We love to hear your lines.
Thanks for practicing with us. Stay healthy, speak clearly, and we'll see you next time on MS English AI.
Bye. Take care.